that corny enough for you? All right, guys. So today I want to talk about fragrance oils, specifically the fragrance oils that make your soap set up before you can even get it smashed down into your mold, and you got to fight with it just to get it into that nice little rectangular shape. I know we've all dealt with them. There's no surefire guaranteed way to fix it, but there's a couple things that might help alleviate some of that issue. So here we go. I'm going to give you a list. First one is take the fragrance oil, whatever amount you're going to use in that batch. So just for round numbers, if you're using 4 ounces, we're going by weight here. For me, it's almost identical weight to volume ratio. So 4 ounces, whatever your base oils are, keep 4 ounces of that held off to the side and add your fragrance oils to that. Now you have 8-ounce solution, which is just a little more diluted, which will help a little bit. So it takes some of that shock factor out of it when you pour it into your soap batch. The next thing is make sure your base oils and your lye are both right around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly. A little bit warmer than room temperature. Well, it's a lot warmer than room temperature, but the warmer oils and lye seem to make a little bit longer working time. Use sodium lactate. That helps with working time. Now start blending your oils and adding your lye water. Just as you come into a light trace, add in that solution that you made with the 4 ounces of fragrance and the 4 ounces of your base oil. Just add it nice and easy. You don't have to like do a little tiny drizzle, but don't just slam it in there. And stop running your mixer at that point. Either use the wand on your mixer to get it mixed up, or take that out and use a whisk and stir by hand to finish it off, and then pour it into your mold. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but it should help. All right, so we did a video on Sunday about using goat's milk soap, and we also announced a giveaway. So the deal was whoever ordered between that day, Sunday, and today was going to be entered into a drawing to win a loaf of soap, scent of your choice. So we just did the drawing, and the winner is Curtis from Oklahoma. Congratulations, Curtis. I will shoot you an email, and you can give me your address again. I know I've got it somewhere in here because you placed an order. Thank you very much. And we'll get your scent choice and get that right out to you in the next day or two. All right, guys. If you got anything out of this, do me a favor, click like down below and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and click the bell icon so that you get notified so you don't miss any videos. As usual, any questions or comments, leave them down below, or you can shoot me an email at unclejonssoap@gmail.com, and let me know how that technique works for you on diluting your fragrance oils a little bit and making your temperatures a little higher when you soap. All right, guys, have a great weekend.